What's up, what it is, what it do? It's your man Terrence T back once again with another do-it-yourself auto mechanics video. Today's video is in the description down below, as you can see, and today's topic is fixing the seatbelt in a 2013 Chrysler 300. This car right here, what we worked on previously before. So let me take you all to the inside, show you what's going on. Seatbelt's getting stuck. It won't actually click. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that. Thought I had what I did fix it probably one time before, but it has reoccurred, so we're gonna have to take it loose again. See where I had to tape it back up with electrical tape, because it's real difficult to separate apart. And if you don't know where the ends are in there that lock down, then you're gonna break it as well. So all you gotta do is get some electrical tape and do what you need to do. So with that being said, this is what we're gonna do. So this is what we're gonna do first. We're gonna we're gonna be unplugging the seat. But before we do that, we're gonna go ahead and we got to access these hex bolts here. There's one, there's four of them. There's one right there. So for those two, we're gonna have to let the seat back. Okay. And we're gonna let the seat tilt it up so we can get our socket wrench up under there. All right, and there are the bolts. Nuts we got to take out. So let's do that. Matter of fact, so we can take these bolts out of here. I had to get a special socket set for these. Oh shit. French. Loose, easy to come off. So. You just gotta find the right one. I think it's 13. No, it's 3/8. I don't know if y'all can see this or not. Down in there. Broke loose, take it out. And we can get this other one. See, I don't know if y'all be able to see that or not, but full bottle of water up under the seat. So we got two of those loose. Okay, so now we got the front two loose. And this is why we don't go ahead and unplug the seat yet, because we're gonna leave it in the tilted up position, but we gotta move the seat back up. The access says the back bolts. And I'm just gonna move the seat all the way up. See, access the back. So let's go back in and do the same thing. Back right here. Pop them loose. I'm using the 3/8 hex socket. There you go. Let's see, can I get a close up on that? Probably can't. But anyway, it's a 3/8 hex socket like that. I thought I had a set, but I didn't, so I had to go and buy a set. I got this set from AutoZone, and this Duralast brand. Paid 30 bucks for the set. Just went ahead and bought them. I don't understand why vehicles just don't have the same type bolts heads on it. Makes it easier for everybody. They want you to buy those tools. So there's the sockets. The bolts are out. See? Bolts are out. So now, see, I'm gonna try to not take the seatbelt all the way out. Hold on, let me get y'all a better angle. Okay. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm finna do here. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm finna do. I'll go ahead and slide the seat. I'm gonna turn it instead of me having to take the seatbelt loose all the way from take the seat entirely out. I'm just gonna turn the seat. First, I gotta tilt the seat back. Tilt the back seat. Take this header or something. It rests off. So now I'm gonna take the seat up. I don't have on no gloves. Okay. Tilt the seat back. There, grab it. Bring it back. What I'm planning on doing is just turn the seat up like that. Now, hopefully y'all can see it. Let me see if I can. There we go. So now we got this star bit bolt, which I got it right here. This is a T50. And I just got a another socket here. This is a torque wrench. So I'm gonna try to I don't know. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead and take it loose. And see, I didn't even take the seat loose because I wasn't gonna remove the whole seat. See, if you have to see that down there, seat harness is still intact. But I'm gonna have to take the this piece here off. I'm gonna take it off. I guess I'm gonna take it off. And there's a plug up under there. I don't know if y'all can see that. But you push in and you pull. Hopefully y'all can see that. That's loose right there. Take this loose. Now this has a tab right here, this orange tab which you pull up. So can I do it with fingernails? Not gonna be able to do it with my fingernails. So let me get my tool. Be right back. This whole piece comes up. Let's see if it was, yeah. Yeah, I've done this, taken this off before, so that's why it's so coming off so easy. Alright, you pull this down and got it loose. Okay. So now I'm gonna bring it back into the trunk car. Let's see, can I just go ahead on into it. I've got to get me a razor knife so I can split this open, because it wasn't latching. See, it's stuck. See, they're supposed to be able to press down, so it's not. Well, let me show y'all. Y'all might not believe what I'm saying. Let's take this seat belt. Seat belt supposed to go into here like that, but it's not. See, you're not supposed to just jam it. You're gonna bend something or break something on the inside of it. Okay. Some I suggest that you take a knife and slide it in the back of there, and it's supposed to pop back up. But that's not the case in all scenarios. So this is a different scenario here. This is what we're going to do. I'll show you what's going on in here. Y'all hold on just a second. Be right back. Okay, so we're back, and I'm going to cut this open here. We can get in here. There's a seam right there. There's a seam. See? Just follow it. And crack this thing open. Be careful not to cut yourself if you've already been in again. We're taping it up. Okay. So I'm gonna open it up just like that. Alright. So what's happening in here is I'm gonna take this loose. See? There's a piece in here. Okay, you see it from the other side. There's a slider piece. There we go. So this piece right here, okay, there's a pin which I don't see, which I'm looking for. It goes in here as well. It may be stuck in there, but we're gonna have to find it. But it goes down right here. It goes down. There's a pin that goes right in here. It goes over. So that's why that piece is not functioning properly. So, and this is your sensor. It goes to this. This slider piece would slide down when you click. Your seatbelt goes into here, pushes this piece down. This arm here hits this trigger of the sensor, okay, which goes this little black cord, which is this, which lets the onboard computer know that seatbelt is fastened. Okay, so I'm looking for, I see it, it's at the front. Let me flip this back over. Okay, and this little piece right here is what I'm looking for. I don't see how that came out like that though. Alright. So, without further ado, hold on. At least do this. I'm trying not to scratch it. Oh, there we go. So now, what I got to do is I'm gonna dissect this thing here. Keep missing. So I'm gonna keep rolling. I'm gonna actually just go ahead and take this loose. There you go. Hopefully we didn't break him, because there's a piece up under there. Okay. And maybe I explained it to you guys wrong, how this actually goes. But I'm gonna actually redo this and see, can I get this right? Okay. Yep, I explained it to you wrong. So let me get this right. You can't see me on this camera here, but on the other camera, this piece right here does not go where I said it went. It's this black piece right here that has two end pieces on it that go into that other piece. Okay, I'm gonna show you here in just a second how this actually goes. Alright, so y'all see, did y'all see that? I'm gonna take it all the way out. Well, I can do it right here. There it is. Let me take it all the way out of here. Let me show y'all. I know how it goes. See? This little piece right here can go faulty. This little piece right here can go faulty. You got the two ends on it. It goes down into I have to take this out. I'm not gonna take it out. Okay, but anyway, let me show y'all on camera. This has two ends on it, right here, right here. Looks like one end shorter than the other. That's why I'm gonna slide out. So I don't know what my solution's gonna be for that. So I'm just gonna put this back in there. See that? There. All right. Those two ends slide into here. See it right there. There's a slot right there, and it's the same on the other side, on the back side. The slots in, and it actually goes in there. Like so. Let me show you guys. Helmet. Okay. So what's going to happen is this is going to slide in. You see this lip? That lip is going to go up under here. Alright. Like when I put that in there, it's going to go on the back side of this. It's going to catch that like that. Alright. So let's see. I'll slide this up under there like that. Alright. So it's in position. Take it. I hope y'all can see that. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to try to slide it back up into place. See, can I get lucky? Okay. Let's try something else. Let's try it like this. Okay. Bring that out. This is up. Okay. Takes a little time, a little patience, but you got to get it back in there. Should have maybe had me some tweezer pliers, but I didn't bring any out. I'll try to get this in there. Okay. This pinion goes up. Let's look it in there. I want to try to catch on film. There we go. We're putting this in there like it's supposed to go so y'all can see the degree of difficulty. It's probably going to take putting this in there. Okay. Okay. And again, so maybe there is an easier way to put this in there, which okay. See, now this thing is playing with me. It's playing with me. Okay. I'll try a different way. Totally different. Slide it down. And come up with it right here. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, let that come up. Again, I might have to take the sensor off and put it in there. I think that's how I had to do it last time. Let's just pop this on off. It pops off like that. And alright, sensor's off. That way I can slide this all the way back. And you know what? That would be the perfect way to pop that in there. I'll show y'all. Take that out. Slide this piece here back. I said it would, but see the degree of difficulty that I'm facing. Try not to break it, because if you break it, it's over with. You'll be buying another seatbelt, $200 something dollars. So see, most, I won't say most, but some, I've seen some do-it-yourself videos. See, there it is. People will get frustrated with it and they'll be like, man, just let me, there you go. Just let me, there you go. See how I worked it in there? Let me work it in there. Let me work it in there, and I'll be right back. And they never show you how they got it in there, but that's how it goes in there, just like that. Okay. This piece rests right there in there. That's like a hinge. Okay. So got it in there. And this piece here, the black piece rests in the slider piece like a hinge. Okay. Now I don't know how it keeps popping out. I don't know. I really don't. But that's how it goes. Alright. So that's that. Alright, back. So that's how it goes. So now I want to slide this up. That being said, let me flip it over. You see how this lip goes up under that? It catches that. So that's how it goes. Alright. So when you put it back together, gotta re-put this on. I'll slide this all the way up. Like that. Okay. And to hold it in place, I can put the spring up under here. Alright. And to put the spring back in, I'm gonna go from this way. Usually it's supposed to go this way. And the spring goes in like that. And there's a piece, that little notch piece up on there. That's what goes. The spring rests on the little notch piece. Just like that. See that? Turn it over. And there's a little notch piece. So maybe, like I said, it's not fully in there like it's supposed to be. A notch piece. See, now you push the seatbelt down like that. And it'll lock in and release. So that's how that goes. And I'm thinking this spring's supposed to be all the way turned up on this. Like that. So let me see something here. And if that's so, yeah. It's not sitting right. Nothing was bent. Just the spring ain't sitting right. Like it's supposed to. Up under there. See, that'll lock. I'm telling you, it'll lock right now. So I've already pushed the sensor back in its place. See? So how this thing works is seatbelt goes into here. That latch. I'll show you. See that little white piece up under there? That's the slider piece. Seatbelt goes and hits that flat. And it pushes it down and it hits this sensor right here. Y'all see? Y'all see where it slides in and hits that sensor, and then push that sensor down. And it activates that sensor, saying that with the signal to the computer saying that your seatbelt is fastened. And this little notch piece here, which I think is supposed to be turned down, it has a spring. Well, it turns itself down when it gets down in there. Alright? Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. And when you release it, it goes back up. Alright? So that's the fix. That little piece right there. Let me see something. That little piece right there. And I don't want to put no CA glue or anything in it, because it's supposed to be freely, because it's supposed to turn. Okay. Okay. So let me take y'all into the car. I'll show y'all how it works. This is a seatbelt. It's like this. Take it, goes down in, see it locks. And you push it, unlocks. There you go. It's fixed. So, with that being said, what I am going to do, I'm going to stop this video and go ahead and put the put all this back together. I mean, it's the same way you take it apart, you put it back together the same way. So well, first let me do this. I might keep you all here. So that's the fix. That's the fault of what's going on with that little black piece right there. So this is the back piece. This is the front piece. Alright. Piece it back in like it's supposed to go. Come on, baby. Just like that. See, that's how it looks. Seatbelt goes in, hits that piece, and it slips down. You push this in, activate the release mechanism. Alright. So I'll be right back when I install this. Okay. So we got this back together. So what we're going to do is going to use some electrical tape to match it. And we're going to put it back on. What I'm going to do is take some tape and go around the seams first to hold it. Maybe I'll do it like this. Alright. Yep. It's either this or buy you a new one as a replacement. And when I seen the price of this piece, I was like, nah, I'm gonna try to go in and fix it myself first. Okay. Now, for those who have one of those printers, I can't think of the name of it right now, but you probably could scan that little piece, that plastic piece, a 3D printer. You scan that plastic piece and make it another one, and it'll work perfect. So I'm gonna wrap this tight so it'll stay clamped together tight. Maybe it was some space in there, I don't know, cause it to slide out. Don't look all that bad, but we good. Okay. Back in the vehicle. Well, this is, I'll thread this through. Just like that. We can go ahead and put this back in where it was. Line it up. Push it down. Pop it in. It's locked. Alright. I don't know if y'all be able to see this one here, but There is a plug up under there. Thread this back through the way it was. And mount this back to the seat. And I don't know if y'all can see that. Hope y'all can. Just plug this back in. Alright. That's that. So now, what I'm doing now is attaching this back to the seat. And lock in place. How it's supposed to go. Take my socket. T51, T50, I'm sorry. Start screwing that back in. All with the seat still within the car. Things lined up. There you go. That's lined up now. Locking it back down to the seat. On. Lock it down. No, I don't know the torque specs on it, but I am using the torque wrench because it was so tight. I'm just hand tightening enough so it won't move. Okay, so that's that. So now we gotta line the seat back up. The seat was moving. Line the seat back up, put it back on the rails. It's got to go all the way back up. Remember, the seat was all the way up, and it has little notches up under here. I don't know if I can show y'all that, but they go into here. That way your seat's lined up like it's supposed to. It sits in place. So there you go. See how that went in there? Like that. I bet you this is on the front part. So let's see, can we put this back on? So it's still in there, so let's slide it back. And this piece here goes down here. Yep. Y'all see that? Slide these right on back in there. Like that. Playing. There you go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put one in. That way it anchor itself down, won't be tilting up. Put one in over here. And do the same thing. You know what I'm saying? So we got that. And I'm gonna go ahead and tilt it back to the front. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a headrest on, so you let the seat back. Go ahead and put your headrest back on. I hope you guys enjoying this video. That back in, okay. So now Tell you what, since we are working on the front, let's go ahead and do the front. Nah, let's do the back first. Sorry. Now we're gonna do the front because we already have the bolts up here, so it's not gonna slide all the way up. It's gonna hit the bolts. Tighten that back down. Get it good and tight. Okay. And like I say, we have to do the same for the other side. So I don't know if y'all be able to see it. But we are doing the same thing. And again, this is 2013 Chrysler 300 C-Class series. So just make sure I get it tight enough not to strip it. There we go. Back in there. Now we let the seat back up, and we'll get in and do the back bolts. And while we're up here, let me show you here the seat belt. Crosses over, latches in. Okay, push the button, unlatches. So there's the fix. I don't know what the lighting is like in here, but we're putting those bolts back in. Okay. And that's basically the video. How you do it yourself. Well, like I say, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below. Smash that like button, that thumbs up, that like button to give me a like if you like, if it was very informative to you, or if I solved your problem. If you're having the same problem, maybe this video will help you fix yours. There wasn't a video, I don't think there is a video on the actual seatbelt fix in depth, showing you what's actually going on inside the seatbelt. So such as this, so that's why I decided to, when it messed back up this time, I don't know what she did with it, but decided to go ahead and make this video to get you guys informed of what's going on, actually going on. But again, here we go. Let me show you. It latches in. There you go. Push it to release. There's the fix. It's your man Terrence T. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I really would appreciate your support. Thank you. Till the next video, I'm out.